Hi, I'm Ace's home expert, Lou Manfredini, and in this video, we'll show you the tips and tricks for painting a kid's room. Let's show you how it's done. Start by clearing out the room of furniture or moving it to the center of the room so you can work easily in the space. Next, remove and set aside any wall plates from outlets and light switches, as well as blinds and curtains. Be sure kids stay out of this room while working in the space, since those switches are exposed. Dust or sweep off the walls of any debris or webs so you have a clean surface to paint. Now, if you have any nails or dents in the wall, you want to spackle those spots so you have a good even coat when the paint goes on. Check the instructions for the dry time on the spackle and sand the surface smooth before painting. Now it's time to tape off key areas like the ceiling, trim, and doors. Taping the room is key to great painting results, so take your time as you apply the tape around the room. With the room taped, it's time to add the drop cloth and start stirring the paint. We're using Benjamin Moore Regal Select, and the color is called Iceberg. Now, this color was selected because the room is on the smaller side. The vertical window is bringing in a little light to the space, so this nice blue-gray color is going to make the room bright, more relaxing, and spacious. I always suggest you start by cutting in when painting a room. Cutting in means that you use a paintbrush to paint areas that are too tight for rollers, such as the ceiling line, corners, and along the baseboards and trim. The paintbrush also offers better control around these areas. Now that the entire room has been cut in, let's get rolling. We're using a 3/8" nap roller as it works best on smooth wall surfaces. A good quality roller is key when painting. It lessens the likelihood for splatter, and you'll avoid fibers from getting onto the wall. I also suggest using an extension pole for the roller, as it offers better control and lessens the likelihood of fatigue from painting. Place the roller near where you're cutting in to pick up where the brush left off, and use moderate pressure on the roller. Too much pressure causes a bead or a rope along the edge, while too little pressure can make your arm tired. Keep moving across the room with an even application. Now this room went from dark to light, so a second coat is needed. Wait about 2 to 4 hours before applying the second coat. With the second coat applied, you'll want to remove the painter's tape while the paint is still wet. Waiting too long could cause the paint to peel. Slowly and carefully pull away the tape from the wall. And if you notice some bleed through on things like trim, wrap a damp cloth around a putty knife to get that spot cleaned up. After about 24 hours, replace the wall plates from the outlets, switches, and reattach any window coverings. Depending on the age of the child, this could be a good time to secure outlets with child-proof covers. Keep little ones out of that room for 24 hours for the paint to fully cure. And that's it. Now don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful videos like this one. For more tips and advice, visit a neighborhood Ace Hardware, because Ace is the helpful place.